Welcome to miniOrange. Today we will be variously login setting up a miniOrange premium plugin as second factor for users. Click on the miniOrange Two-factor plugin from the left side menu. Now, we are going to see miniOrange premium plugin feature, so for that, I am creating a new user and will see the feature for that user. Click on the users option and select add new. Create a brand new user. Click on the Add New User button. Successfully created new user. Click on the Login Setting tab. I had created the user with a role editor, so selecting Editor Role to enable two factors. You can set their own user's role. Click on the Save Setting button. Enable Custom Redirect URL. Enable option will redirect users after successful login to the redirect URL. Paste the redirect here, where you want to redirect your user, after successfully two-factor validation. Click on the Save Setting button. Your setup is done, now let's verify it. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. I have already set up a two-factor for this user. Now enter the OTP shown in the Google Authenticator app. Click on the Validate button. You can see the user is redirected to the redirect URL, which I had saved earlier. Select the specific set of authentication methods for your users. Select the authentication method, which you want to give an option to your users to set up their two-factor. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. You can see here, only those methods are available which you had selected in the plugin settings. Now select any two factors of your choice below, and complete its setup. Select the methods for specific roles. Select specific role of user. Now I am going to editor role. Select authentication method for editor role. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. You can see here, only those methods are available which you had selected for the editor role, in the Login Settings tab. Now select any two factors of your choice below and complete its setup. Invoke inline registration to set up a second factor for users. If this option is enabled, then users have to set up two-factor forcefully, on their first login after installing this plugin. Skip option for users during inline registration. If this option is enabled, then users will have an option to skip inline registration. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. See the Skip Two-Factor option. Email verification of users during inline registration. This option enables users to edit their email during inline registration with miniOrange, and they will be prompted for email verification. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. Click on the Get Started button. I have got the OTP now email. Please enter the one-time passcode. Click on the Verify Code button. Your email has been verified, and now you can proceed further. Select Login Screen options. By default, the second factor is enabled after password authentication. Click on the Save Setting button. See the Login with Password page. If you do not want to remember passwords anymore, and just log in with second factor, Please select Login with second factor only. Click on the Save Setting button. See the Login with the second factor only page. Check this option will hide the default login form. Click on the Save Setting button. See the Hide Default Login Form. Enter your username. Click Login with the second factor button. Enter the one-time passcode. Click on the Validate button. You have logged in successfully. What happens if my phone is lost, discharged or not with me? Enable Forgot Phone option. Select the alternate login method in case your phone is lost, discharged or not with you. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. Click the Forgot Phone option. Choose the options from Authenticate Yourself, and you can proceed further. Change name in Google Authenticator app. Enable option will allow user to change name in Google Authenticator app for themselves. Disable option will not allow users to change name for Google Authenticator app. Change custom name in Google Authenticator app. Click on the Save Setting button. Click on the Set Up Two-Factor tab. Select Google Authenticator authentication method. Click on the Configure button. See the Change Custom Name in Google Authenticator app. Enable Two-Factor plugin. If you disable this checkbox, Two-Factor plugin will not invoke for any user during login. Click on the Save Setting button. Enter your login credentials. Click on the Login button. You have logged in successfully, without two-factor. We hope that the video was useful for you, and thanks for watching.